Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can school in Germany for free. In case you didn't already know, a lot of universities in Germany do not require you to pay tuition fee. All you need to worry about is your application fees and how to get your documents together. A lot of these universities actually have English taught programs, even though the official language of Germany might be German. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps you need to follow to apply, and also I will be showing you how you can apply. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Aine, and on this channel, I share useful information about travels and immigration. Consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you found this video very helpful. So let's get right into it. There are some steps you need to follow when you want to start your application to German universities. Number one is you want to take your time to select the program of your choice. Okay, there are a lot of programs and a lot of universities. Some of these programs are in German, while a lot of them are also taught in English language. So it's important that you select the program of your choice while making sure that that program is taught in English language, if English language is your first language. Secondly, you want to make sure that you meet the entry requirements. Every program has its own specific entry requirements. Although there are some general entry requirements that most universities will ask you for, but it's important that you go specifically to each of the university's websites, go to the program that you're trying to apply for, and look through the requirements, make sure that you actually meet all of them, okay? The third thing you want to do now is to go ahead to apply. Once you've selected the program you want and you've been able to confirm that you actually meet the program requirements, you want to go ahead to apply. There are a number of bodies that actually collate applications to German universities, but the most popular one is UNI-assist. UNI-assist is a very big platform which you can use to apply to a lot of universities, okay, at the same time. You do not have to go individually to a lot of universities' websites, although there are some schools that will require you to go specifically to their website, but using UNI-assist, you can actually apply to at least 3 universities without having to pay huge fees. Okay, for your first application, you're usually required to pay 75 euros, and for every application after that, you will be asked to pay around 30 euros. I will be leaving the links to this site in the description box, okay, so you can check it out for a more up-to-date piece of information, just in case it has been updated since my making this video. So the next thing you want to do is make sure that your documents are certified, okay? They need to be certified and also translated to the German language. Some of the documents you require for application includes your high school diploma or your bachelor's degree, your proof of English language proficiency or German language proficiency, depending on the one you choose to use, your international passport, a passport photograph, your course overview, a motivation letter, and in some cases, proof of work experience or a portfolio. So now I'm going to go right into showing you how you can actually apply using the UNI-assist website. Okay guys, so this is the official website for German university applications. It is called UNI-assist, and this is the website, okay? I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular website in the description so you can easily go there to check and then apply. So this is your access point to German universities. What you want to simply do is to open an account in case you do not have one. And you can open an account by clicking on this My Assist tab here on the top right corner of the page, as you can see here. Okay, so when you click, you will see sign in. You want to now create new account. So you want to enter your email address. So let's go with ainejohnofficial@gmail.com. Okay, you're going to need to re-enter that email address again. And then you want to create a strong password. Okay, so the moment your account has been created, they are going to send a link to your email which you would have to activate. Okay, you need to activate that email for this process to actually be complete. So guys, once you have activated your account using the activation link sent to your email, you want to click on sign in. So when you do that, you want to simply put in the email address. Just basically you want to sign in. So now that we're here, we're going to need to fill in these details. Okay, great. So now we have successfully actually opened an account. The next step is to actually apply, depending on the semester you want to apply for. Okay, now let's say we want to actually study computer science. Okay, it's already giving us the available semester, and this is Berlin, but let's look at another university if possible. Okay, so we've put in computer science and it's already showing us the available semester, which is the winter semester. So we can either choose the Free University Berlin or Technical University Berlin. Let's choose Free University Berlin for this example. It has already filled in the other option, and then we're just going to search. Okay, so you can see that the course is listed here: Computer Science Masters in the Free University Berlin. Of course, this course is also still not open for application, but if it's where, you can easily just apply. You can also click on show details like I just did to give you more information about this particular program. So guys, this is how you apply for universities in Germany. Okay, I would advise that before you start the process, you want to already be in the process of certifying your documents using a notary public. This step is very, very, very important, and you're going to be required to actually mail this document to the university, depending on where you're applying, that is the university you're applying to, and the course that you're applying for. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you would like more information related videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.